Well, welcome back. Um, as you can see, I've already put in all of my header file and namespace, all that good stuff. Today we'll be going over variables and what kind there are. Uh, so first of all, you can have an integer variable, a character variable, or a Boolean variable, which is true or false. We'll just go over a basic integer variable right now. So we have our main function, and from that you can go see here, int age. Then you always have to set it to an initial value. Age equals 0. And then go cout. How old are you? Just basic, simple question. Doesn't require a lot of thought process. And then you can go to cin age. Yeah, okay, so cin, that's a new command. And I, of course, forgot my operators. Do right stream operators for age. And so that'll change the value of age to whatever the person who's using your program enters. Then you can put cout again, cout age, or we could do cout you are age. You are however many years they put in old. And yes, there's a limit to how many numbers they can have, or how big the number can be, but it's ginormous, so it doesn't matter a whole lot for right now. And then, yeah, we might as well put end to L right there, end of that line. So from here, you can compile and run it, and I'll pause this real quick so you can see that. Okay, so now that that's compiled, we have how old are you? And I'll put in an age. I don't know, maybe 16 would work. And you are 16 years old. And press any key to continue, and we're done. Okay, so that was a nice example of a integer value. But what if they put in some letters? They would, if they put in letters, usually it will convert and it'll work, but not always. That's why it's better to have car, variable of type car. So we'll try that right now. We'll just put in some letters and see what happens. And I'll compile this again and run it. Okay, so here you'd have, how old are you again? And what if we put in low? You are 0 years old. See, it didn't convert that time, and so it said false, which is a variable of type Boolean, and 0 is false, 1 is true. Could be the other way around, but I'm pretty sure that that's the case. So we'll exit that again, and let's try putting this as type car, and put in hi. And let's try this again. Alright, so my apologies about that. I know that it does work, just not on my computer, because, like I said, Dev C++ is ancient. I'm going to have to try to find something else. Maybe I'll get Microsoft Visual Express Edition. And that will probably fix the problem. I've used it before and it worked then, so. But For now, just know that you can do char variables. You just do char space, then your variable name equals, and then in quotes whatever your character string is, or whatever you want for that. And you can also have Boolean variables. And so come here, and Boolean is abbreviated by bool. See here, just put age 2. Now you can't start a variable name with a number, but you can have numbers in there. And I wouldn't start a variable name with a underscore because those are reserved for variables that the compiler uses within the C++ library. And if you do manage to get one of those names, you'll probably screw all sorts of stuff up and you won't have any idea what the problem is. Okay, so bool age 2 equals false. So you can go there and we'll just put cout age 2. There was something else I would do, but I'll have to show it to you next time because don't have the time for it today, and we're not quite into that stuff yet. So cout age 2. Oops. And then we'll put cout. There we go. If this says 0, you're lying. And just because we can. So I'll pause this again real quick and compile it. So, sorry. Pausing, and I'll compile it. Okay, so we have the how old are you again? I'll put in 16 again. It says you're 16 years old. And then if this says 0, you are lying. Then press any key to continue because I didn't do the end line. Alright, so if this is unclear to you, and I wouldn't blame you if it was, let me know and I'll explain more if I can. Just email me or comment. And once again, you will be able to find the source code for this at my website, which is denniscoding.weebly.com. And I'll put a link to that in the description of my videos so that you can find it without having to memorize that. Alright, thanks for watching. I will talk to you next time.